My wife has been talking about getting an espresso machine for a while now, so she finally just went out and bought herself one. I was a little resistant to it at first, but now that we have it, I really enjoy having this thing. Let me show you our Nespresso and what it does and how it works. On this side is your water reservoir. You just fill this thing up, fill it up, and it goes over here on this side. On this other side of it is where the pods get dropped after they've been used, so you can just take this and empty it whenever it fills up. Where you place your cups, you can have a large size cup and place it there. Or if you have a smaller size cup or doing espresso, you can take the little plate and it has a little notch. You place it in there and you can place your cup in it just like that. If you have a large tumbler, stainless steel cup that you want to be on the go with, you do also have the option to remove this to make the space even taller there. To use it, it's really simple. You have these little pods. Now these pods have a barcode around the edge of them, which tells the machine how much water to put through it, so you don't have to try to guess to get the perfect cup. I will tell you, the Nespresso brand coffees are awesome. I've tried one or two other brands through this and they just did not hold up or do well. The Nespresso has it figured out. To use the Nespresso machine, super simple. There's one button on top. You put the pod in and you press the button and the machine takes care of the rest. It's pretty awesome. This particular machine takes three different size pods. It will take the single espresso pod. This particular pod is a double espresso, and it will take the coffee size pods. This machine does not take the extra large coffee pods, so be aware of that. I don't find that to be a problem because I still like an even bigger cup of coffee of that, so I just get two pods in one big cup, or in order to keep my coffee hot for longer, I just do one cup at a time of the smaller cups, and that works out. I'm gonna make me some double espresso. You just take and you push this lever to the right, and it'll open up. You place your pod in, and you close the top, and then you pull this lever to the left. That's gonna lock it in. The light on the top is blinking. That lets you know it's warming up. And then once it's ready to go, you just press that and it will take care of making your coffee or espresso for you. Now that it's done brewing my espresso, I can take my steamed milk that I frothed and pour it in. Ooh. For a perfect coffee house style latte. If you want those coffee house style lattes, Americanos, anything else you can get at a nice coffee house for a little bit better price with high quality coffee without having to brew a ton, these Nespresso machines are awesome.